say one question is given here, x plus 5 to the power 4. So how to differentiate this? So for doing differentiation, this one we needed to expand first with the binomial, but see, if we go for expand with the binomial, it's a huge working we needed to accomplish. So there is another way to do this differentiation by using the chain rule. So you know the traditional way of the chain rule that written in your book, which is dy by dx. If we consider that one as a y, the rule is dy by dx equals to dy by du into du by dx. This is the formula for the chain rule, but we would not apply this one where you can say x plus 5. If we consider as a u, then we can apply this method for find our answer. So rather than doing this way, we can do the differentiation directly. Let's see my working. So if I write here dy by dx, then we can start here by like this. Say first differentiate as a power is given here 4, so we can write it 4, we know that. Then inside, what written inside the bracket, write it there. Then from the power we are going to subtract 1. Now just differentiate inside the bracket what written there, d by dx of x plus 5. So we know that if we differentiate x plus 5 inside the bracket, we would get from there 1. So finally we got from here 4 into x plus 5 to the power 3, and from the right side, if I differentiate from here, we would get from here 1. So our final result is 4 bracket plus 5 to the power 3. So this is our answer of this part. Let's see another question from here. Even it is written here, say y equals to x plus, say x minus 1 to the power 9. So how to differentiate this? Same method we can apply here. dy by dx equals to, first write here 9 as a power, we are going to differentiate power of this, actually what written inside the bracket, that power 9, then what is it is right here accordingly. Then 9 minus 1 is 8, we know, and if we differentiate inside the bracket directly, you can write it is 1. So in two line we can find out our answer, 9 into x minus 1 to the power 8. That is our answer. Let's see some other example from here. If it is written there inside the bracket different something, say y equals to twice x minus 1 to the power 4. So how to differentiate this? Same procedure, dy by dx. First differentiate as a power, which means 4 into twice x minus 1 to the power 3. Then into d by dx of inside the bracket what written here. Inside the bracket just exactly 2x minus 1 is written. I wrote here 2x minus 1. So final answer is 4 into 2x minus 1 to the power 3. Inside the bracket, if I differentiate for 2x minus 1, we got from here 2. So we can multiply 4 into 2, which is 8 into 2x minus 1 to the power 3. So this is our final answer. So let's see another example from here. If it is written there y equals to, say 1 minus 3x to the power 7. How to differentiate this? Similar procedure. First write that dy by dx, then differentiate first as a power 7, 1 minus 3x to the power 6. Then inside the bracket, if we differentiate, definitely we got minus 3 from there. We do not even need to write here the whole term as a d by dx. So see, in two line you can get our answer. So finally you can got from here minus 3 7 is the 21, 1 minus 3x to the power 6. So this is our answer of this question. Hope you understood the way I am showing the questions. Another question, if it is written there y equals to, inside the bracket say written x square minus 2x plus 3, then outside of the bracket it is written here 6. So it's similar, we can find out our answer or differentiate it. dy by dx, first differentiate as a power, so 6 come from this 6. then from the power and inside the bracket what written, write exactly it is, which is x square minus 2x plus 3. Then from the power subtract 1, which is 6 minus 1, 5. Now right there inside the bracket, if we differentiate from here, you also can differentiate, which gives us 2x minus 2. So what is your final answer? We can write it. Say from the second part we can take 2 common, and 6 into 2, which is 12. Then the part remaining here, x minus 1, and the final part is x square minus 2x plus 3 to the power 5. So actually it is from here, and from 2x minus 1, if I take 2 common, then the remaining part I wrote here, which is x minus 1, and this 2 and 6 makes 12. So this is our answer of that expression. Hope that one is clear. And another type of equation, say it is written here y equals to, if the expression of the x, it is written here as a denominator, say 1 by 5x minus 3 to the power 6. So it's really very tough. Just if we follow the method, then it becomes very easy. So we can write it 5x minus 3 to the power minus 6 according to the rule of indices. Now see that things becomes very easy. Just differentiate dy by dx. Then you can write it according to the rule, minus 6 into 5x minus 3 minus 6 minus 1. Then inside the bracket, if we differentiate, it gives us 5 only. So what is your final answer? We can write it 5 6 the minus 30, write it on the top, and 5x minus 3, 5x minus 3, it is having with the bracket which is minus 7. Then if it goes to the down, then definitely it would be positive 7. So hope the things we did, it is clear. So let us see one more example. Say it is given here y equals to, one constant is on the top, which is 3, and the below it is written there, say 1 minus 5x, and the power is given, say 5. How to differentiate this? Similar way, we if we apply here the quotient rule that we will learn just after 2 videos, then we also can get the right answer. But we do not need to apply the quotient rule because 3 is a constant given, so better to write like this the expression first. 3 1 minus 5x to the power minus 5. We can write it according to the rule of indices. Now apply the differentiation. Dy by dx. We can write it 3 5 is the minus 15. Then just from the power 5x we are subtracting 1, which gives us minus 6. And inside the bracket, if we differentiate, we got from here minus 5. Just write it. So finally 5 into minus 5 into 15, it gives us 75. And on the bracket it is written 1 minus 5x to the power minus 6. So we can leave our answer like that way, which is 75 divided by 1 minus 5x to the power 6. So this is our final answer. So that is the total things of our topics, and I prepared one worksheet for you like before, which is for the application of the chain rule. And the rule is written here: if power is given with a 5, then from the power you can subtract and divide dx of that one. If we multiply, we would get the answers. For the similar formula that I have shown here, you would get some questions, so you can practice at home. This is the worksheet, will be uploaded in the Google Drive, and also its link would be given in your description below, so you're welcome to download it for your practice.